Attention, attention, attention. Last, it don't red for Abuja. NLC protesters don't shut down National Assembly for Abuja as I'm talking to you like this. No be small wahala. In fact, me una see video first and I'll be back. This is the exact thing we've been trying to avoid. But come on, what really the difference between the seat of power over here and other countries? Because for this side, person will suppose to reason normally. Immediately he enters the seat of power, he go turn tiger, bone. If you tell him say, oh God, there is fire on the mountain, he no go one here. Where did they see them now? If something sup for close by country, they go rush go there. One go they make peace, but for backyard here, things go they happen on a steady. Nobody go one talk, and the thing say you no go red. Don't worry, now small like this. And if care is not taken, maybe last hand go touch everybody. Make sure say you share this video, like, and let me know what you think on the comment section. Thank you for listening and for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one. God's will, signing out.